Xiaodu has released a new smart speaker model called the Xiaodu Mate. Let us unbox it and see what is different. The speaker has a rectangular body instead of the cylindrical shape used by earlier models. It is slightly larger and heavier than expected. After power on, the front display shows the time and volume level. There are 4 buttons on the top: microphone mute, play and pause, volume up, and volume down. The rear panel differs from other speakers because it adds a Type-C reverse charging port beside the DC power input. The presenter asks why a USB port was not added as well, or why both USB and Type-C charging outputs were not provided. The dimensions shown on screen are 20 cm long, 11.5 cm wide, and 11.5 cm high. Leave a message if you want to see another feature tested.